Duty to defend is generally broader than the duty to indemnify, because most but not all policies that provide for such a duty also specifically promise to defend against claims that are groundless, false, or fraudulent. Therefore, the duty to defend is normally triggered by a potential for coverage. The test for a potential for coverage is whether the complaint adequately pleads at least one claim or cause of action which would be covered under the terms of the policy if the plaintiff were to prevail on that claim at trial. Also does not plead any allegations which would entirely vitiate an essential element of coverage or trigger complex exclusion. It is irrelevant whether the plaintiff will prevail or actually prevails the claim. Rather, the test is whether the claim is proven, if proven, would be covered. Vague or ambiguous allegations broad enough to encompass a range of possibilities both within and without coverage are usually construed in favor of a potential for coverage. But speculation about unpled allegations, that is, matters on which the complaint is totally silent, is insufficient to create a potential for coverage. Some jurisdictions allow extrinsic evidence to be considered, either because it is expressly described in the complaint or it is relevant to the facts expressly alleged in the complaint. If there is a duty to defend, it means the insurer must defend the insured against the entire lawsuit, even if most of the claims or causes of the action in the complaint are clearly not covered. An insurer can choose to defend unconditionally without reserving rights, but by doing so it waives the absence of coverage as a defense to the duty to defend and implied commits to defending the insured final judgment or settlement regardless of how long it takes.